We don't want to solve for x or y in the second equation since we would need to move the terms around and divide by a coefficient in front of the variable. For example, if we try to solve for x, we would have to subtract 3y from both sides first, and then divide every term by 5. That's kind of messy. A similar process happens if we try and solve for y, so these two are out. If we try to solve for x in this first equation, we have to divide each term by 2. This would leave me with x is equal to 2 minus 1/2 y. Remember, there's a 1 as a coefficient in front of the y, so this is really negative 1/2 times y. I'd prefer to avoid working with fractions in my substitution process, so this x isn't necessarily the best choice. If I try and solve for y, I could add y to both sides. Then, rewriting my problem up here, I could subtract 2x from both sides, and I would get y is equal to negative 2x plus 4. Because I have integer coefficients like negative 2 and 4, it's easier to work with this in a substitution. If you want to solve for x and work with a fraction in your substitution, that's okay. Choose the method that you feel most comfortable doing.